Okay, today I'm going to do a little update to my smart home automation. Previously, my door sensor can switch off the power of the smart switch on my TV and 3 fans, table fan, bottom fan, and the exhaust fan over there. But when it turns on, at the time when I close the door, it turns on the power, but it does not switch on the remote control automatically because I'm using switchboard at that time. It's not compatible to SmartLife, so I purchased infrared remote control Wi-Fi infrared remote control that is compatible to SmartLife. That means I can switch on everything with a single door close. So what I'm going to do now is switch it off by the power supply of the smart switch, the 3 fans, the exhaust fan, my table fan, and the bottom fan. And I'm going to close the door and switch on everything. If you notice, my table fan, you can see the speed and the swing of the remote control is triggered as well, and the exhaust fan is triggered, the bottom fan is triggered, the TV is triggered as well, together with the power supply of the smart switch. That means I do not need to use the NFC to switch it on anymore, and it's just a single door sensor can switch on all my devices when I close the door. Yay!